For this project video, I'm going to show you how to take RAM out of a computer. This is the motherboard of a computer, and this is the RAM. But to get it out, if you need to change it, it's as simple as this. You get the clip and it will pry it out. And you repeat the process till you get all 4 of them out of the board. In order to get the RAM back in, you look for that little hole and look for a little bump on the motherboard. And then you slide the RAM into the board. And if you come to a time where it doesn't fit, that's because you're using the wrong side. So you just flip it over and then slide it in. Continue the process until you get all 4 of them into the board. Don't forget to subscribe.